The Mazda CX-30 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, locate the small notch on the fob's side. Use a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to gently twist and pry the fob open. Be careful not to force it, as the internal clips are delicate. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment and the CR2032 battery. Ensure you handle the fob gently to avoid damaging the internal circuit board. Remember the orientation of the battery before removing it. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up as the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring the positive side faces up. Make sure it's securely in place. Now align the two halves of the key fob case and gently snap them back together. Ensure they are firmly closed with no gaps. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to see if the car responds. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or consult your Mazda owner's manual for potential reprogramming steps.